Now I'm going to show you how to display vowels using function module. We have to declare function, the name of the function, suppose vowel dollar, then v dollar as a parameter. Clear screen. Let's input, enter any string that will store in v dollar. Now we are going to print in function because it always return value and we can't use call statement on this function. Okay, so print vowels are, then vowel dollar v dollar, then end. Now sub function will be function vowel dollar v dollar. Let's use loop for r equals to 1 to len v dollar. And let's assign s dollar equals to mid dollar bracket v dollar comma r comma 1. Let's convert into uppercase. T dollar equals to u case dollar s dollar. Now we will compare to find out vowels. If t dollar is equals to a or t dollar equals to e or t dollar equals to I or t dollar equals to o or t dollar equals to u, then x dollar equals to x dollar plus t dollar. And if, then every for loop next r. Now this is the returning value. So vowel dollar equals to x dollar in function. Let's type hello world, so it display vowels. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. I'm going to show you how to display vowels using sub-modular programming. Okay, let's write a program to display vowels using sub-modular programming. Declare sub, name of the program vowel, then v dollar as a parameter, then clear screen, input, enter any string that will store in v dollar. Now remember, in every sub-modular programming we have to use call statement. Therefore call vowel v dollar, then end. Now we'll be using sub program, sub vowel v dollar. Let's use for loop for r equals to 1 to len v dollar. Let's use one variable s dollar equals to mid dollar, then v dollar comma r, and capture by one character. Now we are going to convert to uppercase. T dollar equals to u case dollar s dollar. Let's compare whatever you have entered, string or word, matching with vowels or not. So therefore if t dollar equals to a or t dollar equals to e or t dollar equals to I, a, e, I, o, u, we have to write. Okay, I then o or t dollar equals to u. Then let's use one variable that store x dollar plus t dollar. Now we'll close end if, and for loop next r. Now we are going to print vowels are, then x dollar. So this is the program how we are going to display vowels using submodular programming. Let's run the program and type it vowel, then you'll see ONE. If you'll enter hello, will display E and O. If you're going to enter computer, the vowels are O, U and E. O, U, E. Thank you for watching this video. Now I'm going to show you how to display vowels using select case. Let us declare sub vowels W dollar as a parameter. Clear screen. Input. Enter any word that will store in W dollar. In every sub-modular programming, we have to use call statement. Therefore, call vowels W dollar, then end of the main program. Now sub-program, sub vowels W dollar. Let's use for loop for R equals to 1 to len W dollar. Let's use S dollar equals to mid dollar W dollar R comma 1. That will captured by one character. T dollar equals to uppercase U case dollar S dollar. Now let's use select case. Case capital AEIOU because we use uppercase. Then it will store in V dollar equals to V dollar plus T dollar. Else C dollar equals to C dollar plus T dollar. So here V dollar it will store all the vowels, whereas C dollar stores all consonants. And select next R. Let's print vowels are V dollar. And print consonants are C dollar. And sub. Now let's run the program. Let's type computer. Now it displays vowels are and consonants are. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.